Hi, my name is Dave Klappenberger with Klappenberger & Son, and today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new product by Pittsburgh called UltraLast. It's going to be about $65 to $70 a gallon. Boy, remember the days where you could get a gallon of paint for 20 bucks? Anyhow, its claim to fame is that it is stain impervious. Whatever you throw on the walls, washes right off. Should be good for any politician out there. Paint doesn't cure in 24 hours, so it takes about 7 days. So I waited 7 days before I applied ketchup, mustard, red wine, and some shoe scuff marks. I let that sit for another 24 hours, and then I tried cleaning it with just soap and water using a microfiber cloth. The ketchup and wine stains came off entirely with soap and water, but the scuff marks and the mustard needed some additional firepower. So I used a cleaner called Crud Cleaner. Crud Cleaner got off about 99% of the turmeric mustard stains. There was no damage to the paint or sheen alteration from the harsh cleaner. Let's start off with its coverage. The coverage is average. If you're changing colors, you're definitely going to roll 2 coats, but you might have to brush 3 coats. How about splattering? Very little. Odor? Fine, not an issue. Washability, that's its claim to fame. How did it do? It did very, very well. We put ketchup, mustard, red wine, and shoe marks, and the shoe marks are just almost completely disappeared, which was very tough to get rid of. The mustard is very, very faint, but there is a slight yellowness right here. Don't know if you can see that. All in all, I would have to say it has excellent washability. The most unique feature about it that you can actually feel is it feels so much smoother than this epoxy paint up here. It certainly feels so much smoother than your typical latex low sheen paint. This is a matte finish, and it clearly has a matte finish to it, maybe a little bit more, maybe like an eggshell. So their matte finish, truly, you don't want to put this on a ceiling, folks. Don't want to put it on a ceiling because it definitely has a shine to it. A couple final points. One is matte finish is the lowest sheen that it comes in. It does not come in a true flat. Second, that nice skim coat over top of this matte that makes it so silky smooth is also, I think, what makes it so scuff resistant. I had a very hard time getting shoe marks to stick on the wall. The other thing is the workability of the paint. The workability is good the first coat and fantastic the second coat. It really glides on top of each other. It's a very easy paint to work with. I recommend this paint if you're interested in having superior washability and you're willing to pay the price for a premium gallon of paint.